Thank you for using Draw My California Community. In this video, we will review how to save your work as a draft and demonstrate how to use the My Maps feature. If you are creating your community description and map and need to pause and come back to your work later, you can save a draft. Saving a draft is easy. All you need to do is click the Save button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Only users who are logged in can save their work. If you are using Draw My California Community as a guest, you will be asked to log in or create an account in order to save your draft. When you click Save, you will be taken to the My Maps page. All of your drafts and any previous submissions will be listed on the left-hand side of the page. Click on the name of the draft to zoom to your community on the map. Click the three dots next to the name of the draft and choose Edit to start editing your community description and map. When you are done editing your draft, click Submit and follow the prompts to send your community directly to the California Citizens Redistricting Commission. If you want to delete a draft from My Maps, click the three dots next to the name of the draft and choose Delete. If you delete a draft, you will no longer be able to view or edit that draft. The My Maps page also lists any communities you have already submitted to the California Citizens Redistricting Commission. You can view your submissions on the map by clicking the name of the submission. To learn more about using Draw My California Community, check out our user guide by clicking the link below. Thank you for your participation in this important process.